In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro to enhance your collaborative projects effectively. Miro is a versatile tool that provides a canvas for innovation, allowing teams to collaborate visually from anywhere in the world. Whether you're brainstorming, planning a project, or working on design thinking, Miro has a suite of tools that can help bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in and explore how you can navigate and utilize Miro's functionality to its fullest. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Miro. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Miro sign-in page. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Signing in gives you access to your dashboard where all your existing boards are organized. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Miro dashboard displaying all the boards you've been working on or have been shared with you by your team. For our purposes today, we'll be focusing on an existing board, so go ahead and click on one of your boards to open it. Once your board is open, you'll notice a toolbar on the left side. This toolbar is your gateway to Miro's creative tools. Look for a small plus icon. This is where you can add various elements to your board. Clicking on this icon will offer a menu of tools that you can use to create and edit content. If you're working on a new concept, or if you want to expand on an existing idea, this is where you start bringing those elements into your visual workspace. One incredibly useful feature in Miro is the ability to create tables. Tables can organize information systematically, making it easier to interpret and share data with your colleagues. To create a table, simply type table in the tool search bar, then click on your board where you want the table to appear. Once generated, you have full freedom to customize it. Adjust the number of rows and columns, input data, change colors, and even integrate images or hyperlinks if necessary. This customization allows you to tailor the table to suit your specific needs and make your information engaging and clear. With Miro, the possibilities are endless. You'll find that organizing your thoughts and projects visually helps in improving understanding and collaboration amongst your team. If you followed along, you should now have a functional board with creative tools at your disposal. Keep exploring these features because the more you get familiar with Miro, the more efficient and creative your workflow will become. Thank you for watching this guide. We hope it inspires you to maximize your use of Miro in your next team meeting or project development session. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and we'll see you next time.